Is the off-brand battery worth it, or should you spend all the money on the actual Greenworks battery? Let's look and see. Alright, so we're going to compare these two batteries today. We got the Greenworks 2.5 and the off-brand. Both have the little indicator switch on top. Tells you how much charge is in the battery. Both of them are the exact same size. They are both 2.5 amp hours. Is it worth it? Both of them use the same. I just use my Greenworks chargers. They both click in the same. They both work exactly the same. It's the same thing. What's different about them? Well, the packaging is slightly different. This one has a rubber kind of feel, where this one has a plastic edge to it. If you look at the top, they are identical. Look at the other side, you've got less holes for cooling, less ventilation holes. Does that seem to affect them? Not from what I can tell. If you look on the bottom, again, extremely identical. So from what I can tell, there is no difference between the two batteries. Save the money, buy the off-brand. They work just as good, they last just as long. Totally worth it. After having used both batteries for several months, I can't tell a difference. As you can see, they both look the same, they both feel the same, they both use the same chargers. They're both rated for 2.5 amp hours. In my opinion, it's not worth spending the money on the Greenworks batteries. They're overpriced compared to the off-brand, and they don't do anything any better. I'll put a link to both batteries in the description. You can make up your own mind. In my opinion, off-brand, the way to go. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.